Good morning, students. Welcome back to your chemistry class once again. Okay, students. So today is the last topic in this unit, and the name of topic is your hydrogen bonding. Okay. So during the formation of hydrogen bonding, the necessary two conditions. One is hydrogen, and second thing is your electronegative elements. Okay. A molecules contain hydrogen atom that is linked to highly electronegative atom like a fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen, and these atoms attract the shared pair of electron more, and so this end of the molecules becomes slightly negative, and while the other end becomes slightly positive. It's represented by the dotted line. This is your dotted line represent the hydrogen bonding, and one charge is a partial negative and one charge is your partial positive. Okay, so the definition of hydrogen bonding: a hydrogen atom link the two electronegative atom simultaneously. Okay, the hydrogen atom, this is a hydrogen atom linked to electronegative atom. This is your electronegative atom. Yeah, that is linked with it simultaneously, one by a covalent bond and other by the hydrogen bond. So this is your covalent bond and this is your hydrogen bond. Okay, and it's said to be form a hydrogen bridge. So this is your hydrogen bridge. Okay, now next, what are the conditions for hydrogen bondings? So the molecule must contain highly electronegative atom linked to hydrogen atom, and the higher the electronegativity, more is the polarization of the molecules. Second point, the size of electronegative atom should be small, and the small the size, greater is the electrostatic attraction. Okay, these are the two necessary conditions for making a hydrogen bonding in these molecules. Okay, so have some examples like your hydrogen fluoride. So you can see that the hydrogen fluorides make a hydrogen bonding in this way, and here the acquire partial positive and negative charges. This is the covalent bond length is 100 picometers. Okay, and this hydrogen bonding bridge bond length, that is your 155 picometer, and make the angle between hydrogen fluoride hydrogen is 140 degree. Okay, and this hydrogen fluoride that is exists in a crystalline solid state. This is shown in a figure. Okay, next is your water molecules. So water molecules contain highly electronegative oxygen atom. All you know that key during the formation of water molecules, when the hydrogen is combined with the oxygen atom, and oxygen atom is the electronegative atom. Okay, oxygen atom attract the shared pair of electron more, and this end of the molecules becomes negative, whereas hydrogen atoms that is become positive, and hydrogen bonding as shown in figures. So water molecules form this like structure: one oxygen atom that is attached with the two hydrogen atom by the two covalents and by the two bridge, so to the hydrogen bonding. Okay, so they again oxygen and hydrogen bondings that is shows 177 picometer. Okay, that is your covalent bonding, that is a 99 picometers. Okay, so students, so this is about the hydrogen bonding in water molecules and in the hydrogen fluorides. They have lot of examples for making the hydrogen bonding. Okay, similarly, hydrogen bonding will be found in the ammonia molecules and alcohol and carboxylic acid. Okay, so in the ammonia molecules, it contains highly electronegative atom, that is your nitrogen, and that is linked with the three hydrogen atom. Okay, so they also form the hydrogen bonding. According to the definition of hydrogen bonding, when hydrogen atom is linked with simultaneously the electronegative atom. So you can see that hydrogen is attached with this nitrogen and this nitrogen attached with this hydrogen. Okay, one making at a covalent bond and second is your hydrogen bondings. Okay, next is similarly alcohol and carboxylic acids. So the molecules contain highly electronegative atom oxygen that is linked to hydrogen atom, and hence form as a associated molecules. Okay, associated, that means कि they making the bonding between, okay, they making the bond angle, they making the bond between self. Okay, वो अपने आप में यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है, bondings की formations कर रहा है. Okay, so you can see that that is your alcohol, ROH, HOR, ROH, HOR. Okay, so here also oxygen, that is your bonded with the simultaneously hydrogen, one by making the covalent, and second thing is your hydrogen bondings. Okay, similarly for carboxylic acid, RCOOH, RCOOH, this is your one molecules and this is your second molecules. Okay, so they self making the hydrogen bonding between, okay, itself. That's why here we mention the oxygen atom linked to hydrogen atom and hence form associated molecules. Okay students, so this is the examples for hydrogen bonding. Next is your strength of hydrogen bond. So which bond is more stronger? Hydrogen bond is very weak. Okay, remember that hydrogen bond is very weak. The strength of hydrogen bond is intermediate between the weak van der Waals forces and strong covalent bond. Okay, so here hydrogen and fluoride bond dissociation energy is 41.8 kilojoule per mole. Second thing, hydrogen and oxygen bond dissociation energy is 29.3 kilojoule per mole, and hydrogen and nitrogen bond dissociation energy is 12.6 kilojoule per mole, because fluorine is very small size. Okay, during the condition for hydrogen bonding, the necessary one thing is more electronegative atom, and second thing, they have the very small size. So that's why hydrogen and fluoride for dissociation energy, they have more 41 point kilojoule per mole as compared to the hydrogen oxygen and hydrogen and nitrogen bondings. Okay students, so this is about the strength of hydrogen bond. Next is the effect of hydrogen bonding. So effect of hydrogen bonding is your first point, that is your dissociation. In aqueous solution, hydrogen fluoride is your dissociate. Okay, in aqueous solution में आपका जो hydrogen fluorides था, जो हम solid state में उसका structures देख रहे थे, they dissociate and it gives the difluoride ions instead of fluoride ions, and this is due to the hydrogen bonding in hydrogen fluoride molecules. Second point is association. The molecule of carboxylic acid exists as a dimer because hydrogen bonding. They have the association because वो अपने आप में ही itself में वो वहाँ पे क्या कर रहा था, bondings की formation कर रहा था. That's why here be the molecule of carboxylic acid exists as a dimer because of hydrogen bonding. Third point is your high melting and boiling points. So the compounds having hydrogen bonding show abnormally high melting and boiling points. Okay, you have already learned that is your compounds like your show high the melting and boiling points. Containing hydrogen bond is due to the fact that some extra energy is needed to break this bond. That's why they have the high melting and boiling points. Okay, so here two question is very important related to this, कि liquid is why water is liquid whereas hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen selenium and tellurium are all gases at ordinary temperature, because hydrogen is combined with the oxygen and oxygen the family members. Okay, but here water is a liquid form and when rest of all the gases form. So what's the reason behind it at ordinary temperature? And ammonia has higher boiling point than phosphine. Okay, so this is very two important questions and this is your homework to identify the answer of this question, because most of the time this question is asking in competitive as well as your house exam as annual exams. Okay, main thing is reason that for hydrogen bonding but this is your homework to find out this answer of questions. Okay, water is liquid, whereas hydrogen sulfide, selenium, telluriums are given all gases at ordinary temperatures, and ammonia has higher boiling points than phosphine. Okay, students. Next is solubility. The compounds which can form hydrogen bond with the solvent molecules are soluble in such solvent. Okay, solubility is related means the power of dissolving. Okay, the compounds which can form hydrogen bond with solvent molecules, अगर compounds है form कर रहा है hydrogen bond किसके साथ, solvent molecules के साथ, और वो soluble है किसमें, solvent में. For example, lower the alcohols are soluble in water. ओके, तो अल्कोहल यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग्स फॉर्म कर रहा है किसके साथ, सॉल्वेंट, और सॉल्वेंट क्या है हमारे पास, वाटर, और उसमें क्या हो रहा है, ये सॉल्युबल हो रहा है. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्टेटमेंट्स कि द कंपाउंड्स विच कैन फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड विद द सॉल्वेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स आर soluble in such a solvent. Example here take, lower alcohols are soluble in water because of the hydrogen bondings which can takes place between the water and alcohol molecule as shown in figure. Okay, so here ROH, that is your alcohols, and here this also be formed as a water molecules. Okay, so this is forming as a hydrogen bonding between the lower alcohols and water molecules. Similarly, in case of ammonia molecule is soluble in water due to hydrogen bonding. So here ammonia is also soluble in water during the formation of hydrogen bonding with the water molecules. Okay, next is your volatility. ठीक है, so here volatiles her property discuss the compounds involve hydrogen bonding between different molecules having higher boiling points and they are less volatile. Okay, the compounds involving hydrogen bonding between different molecules and having higher boiling points, they are less volatile. Volatiles means कि जो easily evaporates हो जाते हैं, जिनके easily ही bonds breakage हो जाती है, but during the hydrogen bondings here boiling point is not easily obtained, so that's why they have the higher boiling points and less volatiles. So here enthalpy of vaporization of this tin hydride is less than ammonia, and then the order of these patterns. Okay, so here ammonia is higher boiling points as compared to rest of the family members. Okay, phosphine is very less, so phosphine is very higher volatile nature because they can easily be evaporates. Okay, similarly next is your explanations of lower density of ice than water. Okay, कि जो density है ice की वो कम है as compared to water. So what's the reason is behind it? In case of solid ice, the hydrogen bonding give rise to a cage-like structure in water molecule as shown in figure. Okay, in case of solid ice, the hydrogen bonding give rise to a cage-like structure in water molecule as shown in figure. कि जब हमारे पास water molecules में आइस होती प्रेजेंट होती है तो वहाँ पे वो एक केज लाइक स्ट्रक्चर ऑब्टेन करता है और अपनी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग्स को वहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है, फॉर्म करता है. ईच वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इज लिंक्ड टेट्राहेड्रल टू फोर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. ओके, जो भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स है वो लिंक्ड रहेगा किसके साथ, टेट्राहेड्रल टू द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. ओके, this is your diagram as a cage like structure. Okay, this is your cage like structure, but here proper in the water molecule is linked with tetrahedral. This water molecule is linked with tetrahedral for water molecule as shown in figure. Okay, so the molecules are not so closely packed, they are in the liquid state. The molecules are not closely packed, मतलब वो fully tight packed नहीं है जैसे in solid state में देखा जाता है. Okay, where ice melt, this cage like structure collapse and the molecules come closer to each other. ओके जब आइस मेल्ट होती है तो जो हमारा के लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स है वो आपस में क्या हो जाता है, कोलैप्स होना शुरू हो जाता है और जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है वो एक दूसरे के पास आ जाते हैं. द सेम मास ऑफ वाटर एंड द वॉल्यूम इज योर डिक्रीजेस एंड हैंस डेंसिटी इज योर इंक्रीजेस. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, मास ऑफ वाटर, ठीक है, मास ऑफ वाटर एंड द वॉल्यूम इज योर डिक्रीजेस. मास क्या रह रहा है हमारे पास, वाटर का सेम रह रहा है, बट वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज हो रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो हमारे पास आइस थी वो मेल्ट हो रही थी. दिस आइस इज कैज लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कोलैप्स विद एंड द मॉलिक्यूल्स कम अक्रॉस टू ईच अदर. तो कोलैप्स होने से उसका वॉल्यूम क्या था, वहाँ पे एज अ डिक्रीजेस की फॉर्मेशंस में जा रहा था कि वो मेल्ट हो रही है तो उसका वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज हो रहा है और वो कोलैप्स हो रही हैं. ठीक है, एंड दैट्स वाई अगर वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज है तो डेंसिटी भी डिक्रीज होगी, बिकॉज ऑल यू नो दैट डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम, एंड वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज डेंसिटी इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस, क्योंकि रेसिप्रोकल्स में हमारे पास है वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज डेंसिटी डिक्रीज वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज. ओके, सो दिस इज द रिलेशन डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. ओके,